In this video, I will show you how to create a Pinterest vision board. First, open the Pinterest app, or you can open up any web browser and go to pinterest.com. Now, click on your profile icon. From here, go to your Save section, then click on the plus icon. Now select Board, then enter a name for your board such as Vision Board, or you can name it anything else. If you want to keep your board private, then you can simply turn on the Keep This Board Secret option. If you want others to see it, leave this option turned off. Once you finish, tap on Create. Pinterest may ask you to choose a few pins to add to your new board. Select any pins you'd like to add in your vision board. Then click on Done. Now your vision board is ready. You can continue adding new pins anytime by tapping on the Save option on any pin you like and selecting your vision board. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.